Let's create a button in Flash. A button is like a regular symbol movie clip, except it's special. So we're going to insert a new symbol. We'll name it btn_start. Make sure the type you select is button instead of the regular movie clip. Notice on the button timeline, instead of having an unlimited number of frames, we have mainly 4 states: up, over, down, and hit. I'm going to grab the rectangle tool, and in the properties, I'm going to round out the corners. Make sure stroke is turned off, and then we'll draw a rounded out background for the button. We'll name this layer background. Now let's insert a keyframe on the hit state so that background appears on the down, the up, and the over state. Let's explain the states a little bit more. The up state is how you'll normally see the button. The over state is what happens when you roll the mouse over the button. The down state is how it looks when you actually click on the button. And the hit state is the area that registers the mouse click or the hit. I'm going to go to the over state, insert a keyframe. Now on this frame, I'm going to change the color a little lighter so that users can see when the mouse rolls over. I'll also insert a keyframe on the down state. Now use our selection tool and use your arrows on the keyboard to nudge the button down and over just a bit to give the illusion that the button's being pressed. We'll want to create a second layer and add text to that layer. For this text, select static text. And I'll select black for the color. And type start. I'll put a keyframe in on the down state, and once again, bump the start down and over to move with the button. We don't want the start text to register a hit, so we'll add a keyframe and just delete it from that state. Now the button's ready to use. Let's go back to scene 1. We'll name the first layer button start. And from the library, we'll drag the button onto that layer. Now, when we hit Control-Enter to test the button, we should see the rollover state and the down state.